Yo chat, welcome to a new trade recap. Today we have a lose. So what's happening coming in today? In the daily we was into this fair value gap, into this bearish value gap. We didn't disrespect it or respected it either way. We were into it, and that's only in the 4 hour. Yeah, we didn't have anything obvious in the 4 hour. Also in the S&P 500. Yeah, we didn't had for very good in daily, and also in the 4 hour we didn't have a big thing. So for my buys, I was not sure about my buys coming out today, but coming out after 15 minutes we had some manipulation to this consolidation zone at market open. Then we rallied higher in both index. So I switched my bias to bullish and waited only for a retest to enter my trade. So I missed the first retest that was here. It was a retest of equilibrium. It was equilibrium. Then I think also the 3 minutes for value gap. No, we didn't have a value gap, but retrace into equilibrium in the 5 minute and the 3 minute and the 1 minute. Then reversing this bearish gap. Yeah, it would be an entry like here, and targeting, I don't know, a 15 minute I think, yeah, I would trade into this Asia high. So it would be like this. Yeah, or even I will take only 200 point or 250 point. Yeah, and it will be the trade, but it was not the retest was not very good. I waited for a bigger retest into the 15 minutes for value gap, this gap here, or also this 5 minutes for value gap, but we didn't have this retest. So after fumbling this trade, it didn't enter. I kept looking for the market. I waited until I don't know. I waited until this gap. So yeah, we had in the 15 minute, I think, in the 5 minute, I think, yeah, we had in the 5 minute a retest. We had a retest this gap. We respected it. Also in the S&P, we first respected it at first, but then we had respect. So yeah, we respected it at first. Then we had some bullish momentum. Also, I think with the SMT. No, it was not SMT. So yeah, we had this return into this gap, then a reverse per value gap, like here. Entered right here, and I was going break even at this point, but if you see, we didn't touch it. So yeah, we how to say it, we didn't even touch the break-even point, then switched to stop loss directly, ending up the day with 2 losses with 2 accounts. There's my trade thinker dashboard. So the dashboard here was for my only one account. I only take, then this is for 2 accounts to 50 to 25k account. I didn't risk that much. Yeah, it was not a big risk, but yeah, we hate to see it, some losses, especially with the week taking with the week off I took and the losing streak I kept having 2 weeks ago. But yeah, that's it. So, well, we are going to trade tomorrow and after tomorrow, and hopefully we make it all back. I think tomorrow I will, if I had a good trade, I will risk more. So my average risking is $200. I will risk $300 with 1.5 error. So a win would be like 450, I think. Yeah. So that's my bias for this week. Bro, I should risk more, like I'm spending years into evaluation. To pass an evaluation, it took me a month. Then to get my first payout, it took me a month. Then I blew the account because I had a very bad week mentally, market price, and physically. So I blew it up. And this 2 account, I have hope in this 2 account. And yeah, I'm spending a lot now on trading, buying accounts, and also for the trade sinker. If I blow one account, I will remove my trade sinker subscription. And yeah, here's the trade of today. I'm very tired, I think. And yeah, guys, see you in the next video.